Let us know about the term delamination. Delamination is a mode of failure for composite materials and steel. In laminated materials, repeated cyclic stresses, impact, and so on can cause layers to separate, forming a mica-like structure of separate layers, with significant loss of mechanical toughness. Delamination also occurs in reinforced concrete structures subject to reinforcement corrosion, in which case the oxidized metal of the reinforcement is greater in volume than the original metal. The oxidized metal therefore requires greater space than the original reinforcing bars, which causes a wedge-like stress on the concrete. This force eventually overcomes the relatively weak tensile strength of concrete, resulting in a separation, or delamination, of the concrete above and below the reinforcing bars. Delamination failure may be detected in the material by its sound. Solid composite has bright sound, while delaminated part sounds dull. Reinforced concrete sounds solid, whereas delaminated concrete will have a light drum-like sound when exposed to a drag chain pulled across its surface. Bridge decks in cold climate countries which use de-icing salts and chemicals are commonly subject to delamination and as such are typically scheduled for annual inspection by chain dragging as well as subsequent batch repairs of the surface. Other non-destructive testing methods are used, including embedding optical fibers coupled with optical time domain reflectometer testing of their state, testing with ultrasound, radiographic imaging, and infrared imaging. Thank you and do not hesitate to subscribe this YouTube channel. Make explanations with your valuable subscribings.
Let's synchronize.